and you can position it where you need it, and then it is completely covert. In fact, grabbing high. And like that. And if you forget your hearing protection, you really realize how much it works. Ow. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Anthony, and here we talk about all things preparedness, training, and education. And today we are doing a gear review on something that I use quite often. I'm not going to say every day because I don't use it every day, but almost every day, particularly during hunting season and just in the great outdoors. It is so modular and it has so many accessories that you can tailor, customize to you. I'm going to go over how I use it and what I use it for, and then you can go to their website. It's full Tang Tactical, and this is their original modular chest rig / kit bag. And it was designed to be in a highly effective storage system and for easy transfer on and off your body to other platforms. This is all Velcro integrated, and you can see it has MOLLE all the way around it. We'll talk about that a little bit and how I use it. But basically, you can wear this the way I'm wearing it. I'm going to spin around. It has an H harness, fully adjustable. And then you can also take the main kit bag compartment and separate it from that back panel, and you can attach it to a plate carrier. And so this is a complete modular system. Do not think this is just an Amazon bag or something like that, because it's not. And that's the first thing I want to mention right off the bat, is this is made in America. And this thing, I know about manufacturing, and specifically I know about sewing. I have been in the commercial sewing industry for over 20 years, and so I know impeccable tailoring when I see it, down to every stitch, every clip, how the fabrics are mated together, every seam, the way the zipper is sewn into it. And this thing is, you know, basically perfect. I'm not going to say it's without a flaw, but it is almost without a flaw at all. Like not even a string hanging there. So anyway, that's the first thing I'm going to say about this, is this is bomb-proof. Built in America, made in America with the highest mil-spec quality materials, and it is made awesome. So my purpose and my review for this is going to focus around off-body carry of my firearm, my concealed carry weapon, in this case Glock 19X. For the great outdoors. I love to hunt, I love to fish, I love to hike. You saw this in a trapping video, again, that I just mentioned. I'm always in the outdoors, and what I like to do is get all my gear off of my waist. When I'm bending over doing things, or I'm running, or hiking, or climbing in a tree stand, sitting in a saddle, hunting, whatever the case. Turkey hunting, I want to get all the stuff off of my waist because it wears down my hips. And it's cumbersome, and it's hard to access, especially if you have a bunch of clothing on during the winter, during hunting season. I wore this all day fishing yesterday, and it was great just to carry my gun, to be able to stick my wallet, my keys, and my multi-tool in this admin pouch here. I'll show you a close-up of that in a minute when I take this off. But basically, that's how I used it yesterday, and I used it from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m., wore it all day. It allowed me to get all the gear off of my body. It allowed me to keep my phone up in this phone holder, and that's just a MOLLE phone holder. I stick my phone across there, and I have it quickly accessible. If I want to take pictures, make a call, I can talk on speakerphone. I was talking on speakerphone to my wife while I was fishing with the chest rig on because I had the speaker turned towards me. And so that's how I specifically use this bag. But it is so modular and so customizable and able to be tailored to your specific situation. It's astounding. So my primary use, concealed carry, what you just saw there. The only thing full Tang Tactical did not make is this 511 phone pouch. I don't know if they have a phone pouch. They might have one. This RPT, rapid pull tab. And this allows me to get this front compartment open to access my firearm. And then the actual holster. That is the switch, on body, off body. If you have not seen the on-off body video that I just posted, that's down in the description below on why you need an off-body carry solution. I both use this and another bag, and that's down in that video. But for the great outdoors, this is my go-to bag, and this is my go-to holster. It interfaces with hook and loop, as you can see, and you can position it where you need it, and then it is completely covert. In fact, a guy, I was fishing yesterday at the lake, and this guy came up fishing, and he was like, "Man, that is a great looking pack you got on right there." And so I did kind of an impromptu review for him and showed him what it was, because he noticed how great a pack it was. So the link for full Tang Tactical and this original modular chest rig is down in the description below and in the first comment. Link for the pull tab down in the description below and in the first comment. And then link for the switch holster down in the description below and in the first comment. So again, primarily this is how I use it for EDC. If you'll notice close up, this is all loop fastener on this inside compartment, and it allows you to connect anything with a hook interface that you want to connect in there. I'm assuming these are riveted drain holes in case water is introduced into this compartment for complete submersion. This is rainproof. It has, I'll just go into that next. This is coated Cordura fabric, which is waterproof the way it's coated. And then these are what are called Squadron zippers. They are waterproof and coated zippers. And so again, it's not, it'll take a dunk real quick, I'm pretty convinced of, except for the holes on the bottom. And so even if you dunk this, fell chest first and got up very quickly, it would probably keep all your gear dry. Definitely keep it dry in the rain. Submerged for 2 minutes? Probably not. You're going to get water intrusion into it. But I will be very interested to test that. I'm not going to test it, but I'll be very interested to test that. Maybe the guys at Full Tang Tactical, maybe they have tested that. You can go over to their website and check that out. And so this main front compartment, I use it for EDC, and I do understand they have a dedicated one called the Woodsman chest pack. This is their original chest pack, and it is not specifically tailored for concealed carry, but they have one called the Woodsman that is specifically tailored for concealed carry. So when you grab this thing, you don't want to grab it down there because it puts too much slack, is what I'm finding. But when you grab that pull tab, you want to grab right around the HK clip if you can, so up high on it, and then it opens and you're able to get to it. So you can't always, if you do grab like that, it kind of, see, and if you pull too hard, slack, you got to pull straight up and around. And that's due to these waterproof zippers, which are great zippers. They're waterproof. They just bind up a little more than a regular zipper, and the need for that. With different packs I've seen and used and made myself, you can actually just split the corner and pull, but you can't really do that on these because these are more, like I said, they're coated and they're waterproof, and so they make it more difficult. So you have to open it more like a traditional bag instead of a rip open. It's not a deal breaker, but you do have to train around that. So grabbing high, and like that. And if you forget your hearing protection, you really realize how much it works. Ow. You can go over to their website and check that out as well. But the way mine is set up, that main compartment, and then let me take this off because you've seen how that works. This is a stabilizer strap, basically, and that goes around the back, and you can adjust the height of those straps. Those are hook and loop. I'll show you in a minute when I take that off. but you can adjust the width of this strap. And then it has keepers, which are super nice. And instead of having dangling ends, you have these Velcro keepers. And they keep, hence the name, those straps nice and secure. Great when you're hunting. You don't have any additional noise. It's very quiet. It doesn't hang on things. It doesn't float around and make you think that a snake is crawling up your back. It stays nice and clean, if you will. And then the H-harness itself, I'm going to attach both of these. You slip that up over your head. But you can see, I understand they have a newer version of this also, but you can go to their website and check that out. But this has the mesh spacer fabric all on the back, so it makes it comfortable. Again, I wore it all day yesterday. Super comfortable to wear. And again, it has the MOLLE for basically anything you want to do. If you are running this on with a backpack and maybe some military gear or adventure gear or search and rescue gear, you have the ability to organize and secure your comms cables. You could secure your what am I trying to think of? Camelback water line, your water pack line to come over the top, and anything else you needed to secure to those shoulder straps, you can do that. And then they, of course, come off. This thing uses the finest hardware, finest plastic hardware. Before I put that down, I'll show you a close-up of that. It has all the finest buckles on it. And then we have the pack itself. I told you the clips on the back, they interface with Velcro behind this comfort pad, and the whole back panel is hook and loop, and then you can move these if you want to. The side ones are stitched in, but you can move the side buckles. They have a recess cut out in there to where you can move it on and off that loop and secure it to a different loop, or remove it all together and just run one strap if you want to. And imagine you can connect it to backpacks or anything like that that will accept those clips or MOLLE. But you definitely can run this on a plate carry. Very simple to do and very quick to do. And so comfortable, absolutely. Well built, 100%. Modularity, second to none. Literally, just go to the website. You can see all the stuff they have. I have what's called a kangaroo admin pouch inside a kangaroo pouch. And so this separates, if you can see, from the main pouch. And you stick that whole pouch in there. Let me zipper this so you can see better what I'm talking about. This is a separate pouch, and it slides down in there. Then within that pouch is a separate little admin pouch, and it has dividers in it. And so it's awesome for your wallet, car keys in one, and then separate. My holster backer can go in there for my switch holster. And then, again, the waterproof zipper, all the pulls on there, just everything is, I'm gonna let you see this for a minute up close. I'm gonna turn it for you. But this thing is so well built. I'll show you the bottom, and I'll show you the top of this thing, and then back to the front. So that is how I use it. Again, this is not an in-depth review from everything possible with this, because I could not. It would take me probably 2 hours to go through everything possible you could do with this pack. But that's what it's designed to do, is to be custom tailored to you. With all the accessories and everything they have. And so you just go to their website, check it out, tell them Anthony sent you, and you get one of these, you won't be disappointed, I promise. It is a very awesome chest rig / kit bag. And like I said, I use it often, and I love it. So that is a review. That is my review from my perspective of the full Tang Tactical kit bag. Again, I want to thank you for making the choice to defend yourself and those you love. And as always, God bless you and yours. See you next time.